Hi, welcome to I1 Auto. This is 2008 Toyota Sienna. Back door, trunk door is not opening. Like when I click this, not opening. It's supposed to be, you hear the click, it's not opening. So this is open now. Let me show you how I open. So you have to go inside, folding the seat. After that, you see this in the door. There's a one little kind of door right here. Just open this. Just lift it up right here. See the actuator right there? The lock actuator. You hear the noise? This is when you pull this like this, the door will open no matter what. Back door here. Let me lock this. See, this is locked now. So when I put in here, I'm gonna pull this trigger. See, it's open now. I'll show you again. It's locked. See, it's locked now. And pull the trigger. See there? So that's the main reason for this opening space. So no matter what, you just go inside the van and pull these trigger things, and then it will eventually open. So there's a possible three things could be bad if it's not open. Maybe the latch mechanism or motor is not working. The switch in the front, switch, like you put this on and off switch, is something wrong with the switch. But there's another sensor here. This when I touch this here, you see, if you have Sienna, you can feel it. Like when you push this, there's a sensor. You can hear the noise. You can hear the buzzing noise. See, this sensor, sometimes sensor is touch in here. So sometimes if you don't have the here, you don't hear nothing from here, like this, that means this sensor is not signal to open this lock. So we need to change the sensor. If this is buzzing, like you hear the noise, that means the inside this has a lock mechanism or latch. Maybe this latch is no good. Maybe motor is short. So let me open this and see what it is. First of all, I need to open this bolt. Like this is very easy. Just as a pry with something here. There's holding with the plastic clip. There's only one 10mm bolt right here. Just take this off. So let me open this 10mm. Take this off. It's easily came out. Plastic clip stay inside the door. Take this off. This and that. After that, just pull it. See this holding with all the plastic. Put the bungee cord in here. All this. See this? This is the trigger I was pulling. This one. See this? This one you can pull like this. See that? When you pull like this, this door is open. Door will open automatically. The sensor I was talking about, this is the sensor. See this in here, connected with the lock latch right there. You do that. There is a 5 ball, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. After you take the 5 ball, take the connector off. There's a little tab right there. Just push this tab and it will come out. After that, there's a, you see the little clip, white clip. Just push this. Now simply just pull this out. Careful not to break. So this is the sensor right here. To open the sensor, just pull this from here. Pull it gently. There's a 2 screw right here. Let's take the 2 screw off. Just simply take this screw off. After take the ball out, just simply the hole from here. Simply pull this out like that. So make sure it disconnect from here. Here. So that's simply just put something in here. Just take the tab. When you do like this, it will come out. Just pull it. See, this came out. So reverse is removable. Just how you open it. Just put it back. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.